Ever heard of this crazy tech called blockchain? It's the backbone of Bitcoin and all the other digital currencies making waves. But it's much bigger than just crypto. Think of it as a revolutionary system for online trust and security, ready to shake up everything from finance to healthcare to voting. Buckle up, because in the next 5 minutes, we're going to break down blockchain like it's hot lava. Imagine this. Every transaction, every agreement, every record is not just safe, but unchangeable, forever. That's the magic of blockchain. It's a decentralized ledger, a shared record of everything that happens, stored not on some big server, but on a network of computers all over the world. No one owns it, everyone sees it, and that's what makes it super secure. But blockchain isn't just about playing digital librarian. It's got 3 superpowers. Number 1, decentralization. No single boss, no single point of failure. This means no one can cheat. No one can shut it down. Number 2, transparency. Everyone can see everything, all the time. No more shady backroom deals, just pure, unfiltered truth. Number 3, immutability. Once something's on the blockchain, it's there forever. No deleting, no editing, just a permanent record of what happened. So, what can we do with this super-powered ledger? The possibilities are endless. For example, supply chains can track every step of a product's journey, from farm to shelf, ensuring everything's legit and ethical. Medical professionals can secure medical records, track medication, and build trust in the healthcare system. Voting will make elections fair and transparent, with tamper-proof records that everyone can see. Real estate agents will be able to track property ownership, streamline transactions, and eliminate fraud. People will be able to take control of their own digital identities and personal data and decide who sees what. Say goodbye to identity theft. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Blockchain is still young, but it's changing the world faster than you can say cryptocurrency. So, what do you think? Which potential use of blockchain excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start the conversation. Remember, knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This is just the beginning of the blockchain revolution, and we're all part of it.